Turning your home into your workspace is an adventure many dream about. The idea of crafting a career from the comfort of your living room without the daily commute or strict office attire is enticing. But as inviting as this scenario sounds, it comes with its own set of hurdles. Before we dig into making your work-at-home journey a smooth sail, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's explore in-depth strategies to tackle the common pitfalls and propel your home business towards success. Organization is the cornerstone of any thriving home business. Imagine your workspace cluttered with papers, untracked emails, and a to-do list that's more of a mystery. Sounds chaotic, right? Establishing a foolproof organizational system keeps you from crumbling under pressure. Creating an efficient and productive workspace requires a combination of tools that enhance functionality, organization, and comfort. Here's a comprehensive list of essential tools for any workspace. Ergonomic chair. Prioritize comfort and posture with an adjustable chair that supports long hours of work without causing strain. Adjustable desk. An adjustable or standing desk will assist with prolonged sitting, offering flexibility in your work posture. High-quality computer. A fast, reliable computer or laptop tailored to your specific work needs is crucial for efficiency. External monitor. An additional monitor to increase productivity by expanding your digital workspace and making multitasking more manageable. High-speed internet connection. Essential for nearly all modern workspaces, ensuring seamless communication and access to online resources. Desk organizer. Keeps your workspace tidy and your essentials within reach with a desk organizer for stationery and gadgets. Noise-canceling headphones. Maintain focus in noisy environments or enjoy high-quality audio during calls and music listening. Task lighting. A good desk lamp provides help to reduce eye strain and create a comfortable working environment. Keyboard and mouse. Ergonomic keyboard and mouse to prevent strain injuries and improve typing experience. Notebook and pens for quick note-taking and brainstorming. Digital tools and software. Tools like Trello, Asana, Slack, or Microsoft Teams keep track of projects and communicate with team members. Calendar or planner. Manage your time and keep track of deadlines, meetings, and personal commitments. Filing system. Whether digital or physical, the key to managing documents and quickly retrieving information. Backup solution, an external hard drive or cloud service such as Google Drive or Dropbox to back up data and provide protection. Comfort items, items that bring comfort or reduce stress such as plants, artwork, or a stress ball. Water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial for concentration and overall health. Charging station. Keep all your devices charged and ready with a dedicated charging station or multi-port USB charger. Incorporating these tools into your workspace can greatly enhance your productivity, comfort, and overall work experience. Establishing work boundaries is crucial in a home setting. It's easy for work time to bleed into family time and vice versa. Clearly defined work hours signal to your loved ones that you're in the zone, making it easier to juggle professional responsibilities and personal life. But it's more than just blocking off time on your calendar. It's about communicating these boundaries and ensuring they are respected, which sometimes means having tough conversations with those around you. In the realm of home businesses, self-reliance is your greatest asset. With no supervisor to keep you on track, discipline becomes key. Begin each day by listing tasks that are pivotal to your business's growth and tackle them head-on. Embrace the power of deadlines not as looming threats but as motivators. For tasks that seem overwhelming, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Sharing your ambitions with a friend or mentor can also provide an extra nudge of motivation, transforming your aspirations from mere thoughts into tangible outcomes. The significance of a dedicated workspace cannot be overstated. It's not just about having a desk, it's about creating an environment that signals to your brain, it's work time. Combating isolation is another challenge for home business owners. Human connection plays a crucial role in keeping spirits high and ideas fresh. Leveraging technology to stay connected, attending networking events, or even co-working spaces can inject a dose of social interaction into your routine. Remember, building a business from home doesn't mean going it alone. Reach out, collaborate, and find your community. Embarking on a work-at-home business is no small feat. Redefine what it means to work from home and turn your space into a powerhouse of productivity and innovation. Tune in for more tips on navigating the home business landscape by subscribing to our channel.